I'm Shivam Dutt Mehta, and you're watching this special feature, Progressive Maharashtra, where we spotlight the most impactful developments from the state. These initiatives are not only redefining Maharashtra's growth story, but are also fueling India's journey towards Prime Minister Narendra Modi's ambitious vision of a developed India. So, let's begin with the major headlines that remained in focus. A grand event was held at Navi Mumbai to mark the 350th martyrdom anniversary of Hind Di Chadar Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib Ji. Union Home and Corporation Minister Amit Shah graced the historic occasion. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, along with Deputy Chief Ministers Eknath Shinde and Sunitra Pawar, was present at the ceremony. In 1675, the ninth Guru, Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib Ji, made the ultimate sacrifice to protect Sanatan Dharma, Hindu faith and Indian culture. It is because of his sacrifice that people in the country can practice their faith with pride today.
उनकी याद हमेशा हमको आती रहे, इसीलिए इस नई मुंबई के परिसर में हम लोग एक अस्पताल बनाएंगे और उस अस्पताल का नाम हमारे 9वें गुरु तेग बहादुर साहिब जी के नाम से होगा। वो अस्पताल उनकी शहादत की याद ये हमेशा हमको देता रहेगा।
On the occasion of Marathi Bhasha Gaurav Din, the 4th World Marathi Conference 2026 was inaugurated in Nashik. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis was present on the occasion. The conference aims to promote the Marathi language and enhance awareness among school and college students about its rich heritage. Marathi speakers from India and abroad gathered in large numbers to celebrate the language, literature and culture. Several distinguished personalities were honoured by the Maharashtra government for their outstanding contributions in various fields. In a major step towards strengthening and modernizing Mumbai's security, the state government upgraded the city's policing infrastructure. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis flagged off more than 1,200 state-of-the-art vehicles for the Mumbai police. The fleet includes modern cars and patrolling bikes equipped with advanced features to enhance law and order. Equipping the police force with modern resources is the need of the hour to stay ahead of criminal elements. These vehicles come fitted with GPS tracking, wireless communication and other technologies that support real-time monitoring. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis participated in the NASSCOM Technology and Leadership Forum 2026. During the seminar, he emphasized the growing use of AI in governance and highlighted the state's technology-driven, policy-led development model. Maharashtra was showcased as an emerging hub in India's semiconductor ecosystem. The Chief Minister also underlined the need for stronger coordination between educational institutions and industry to equip youth with skills suited to new technologies. The national campaign Saving Lives, Building a Healthier Bharat, organized by PD Hinduja Hospital and Medical Research Center, was launched in Mumbai. The initiative was inaugurated by the President of India, Draupadi Murmu. Governor Acharya Devvrat, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis and Deputy Chief Minister Sunitra Ajit Pawar were present at the event. The campaign is being seen as a significant step towards the vision of a healthy Maharashtra and a healthier India. The newly constructed railway bridge near Mumbai Central Railway Station was inaugurated by Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis and Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde. The earlier 130-year-old bridge had long connected Nathpara and the Mumbai Central area. It has now been replaced by a modern and safer structure designed to meet the city's growing needs. The project was completed within just 15 months. The new bridge has been named after Punya Shlok Rajmata Ahilya Devi Holkar. On the occasion of Marathi Bhasha Gaurav Din, Deputy Chief Minister Sunitra Pawar joined Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis and Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde at the Special Assembly program titled Zave Vinodachya Gawa. The event paid a tribute to the rich tradition and cultural heritage of the Marathi language. Deputy Chief Minister Sunitra Pawar reaffirmed the state government's commitment to preserving and promoting Marathi language. And that wraps up today's journey of Progressive Maharashtra. We'll be back next week with more inspiring stories and new chapters of the state's progress. Until then, Jai Maharashtra.